and the Sam Show sent me a heated lunchbox in exchange for my honest review. I want to show you what's in the box when you get it. So when we get it, it's going to come bubble wrapped. What I want you to see is when we open it up here, we've got a fork in one container, and on the other side we've got a spoon. So it comes with utensils, and they've got their own spot that we can keep them in. And then when we open up the lunchbox itself, we're going to have our charging cable. What I like about this is I can plug this into any outlet. So if I'm taking a hot lunch to work with me that day, I can simply use this cord, plug it in, and have my food heated in the office. This is also good for kiddos that want to have a hot lunch and not have the cold sandwich every day. And if we are traveling and we need some hot food, which is great for truck drivers, my father-in-law's a truck driver, and he often complains that he doesn't have lunch. And so this has been a great gift for him because he's able to keep food hot while he's on the road, and he can use the car charger. So it does have the outlet. So it comes with both cords, which is very helpful. Then we've got a container, which is great for cool food. So this is where I put in my fruits, anything that I don't want heated up. Here is the carrying case itself. And so I'm able to, once I get it full and I'm ready to go, I can put it in here so it keeps my food nice and warm. And this is where the magic happens. This is a steel container that we can put our hot food in. What I love about it is it's all dishwasher safe. So I can throw this in the dishwasher, I can throw this and my utensils, which makes easy cleanup. I'm all about easy cleanup. So when I'm ready, I can just simply put my hot food in here. I can stick this on top and then take it out when I am ready to heat it up so it doesn't get hot as well. I simply close it, stick it in the handy little carrying case, and off I go. What I like about this is I can stick the cord right here in the bag. It keeps everything nice together, so I'm organized and I don't forget it. And we're ready to go.